order This White Housing Society to impose 5,000 rupees fine on residents for water wastage. Thank you. Have a nice day. Today's state and sports news is brought to you by Gurkirana's IV Hazel. State news. Telangana CM Revant Reddy submits a list of requests to PM Modi. State news. Lionel Messi is running on MLS. Let's say more about here the league. Thank you. Have a nice day.
By Harris of Grade 4 Hazel. Weather report. Minimum temperature 28 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy. Thank you.
Grade 4 Hazel. Today I am going to motivate you with today's thought. Accept your past with regret. Handle your present with confidence and face your future without fear. I'll repeat my thought. Accept your past with regret. Handle your present with confidence and face your future without fear. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.
I am going to say one. Good. Versatile. The spelling of versatile is VRSATILE. Versatile. Friends, please spell after me. Versatile. VRSATILE. Versatile. Diversity or variety. Thank you.
My name is Ashritu, grade 4 Hazel. Today I am going to amaze you with amazing facts. There are no seagulls in Hawaii. Dummy bees were originally called dancing bees. Monarch caterpillars breathe through holes inside of their body. Thank you. From grade 4 Hazel, today I am going to update you on history of the week. History of the week. The development of the 7 days week in another cultures can be tracked to the creation story in the Bible. According to the book of Genesis, God. Thank you.
I am in front of you to check your general knowledge by today's GK question. Question for grade 1. Which planet is closest to the sun?
Mercury.
Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is Mercury. Let us share them. Question for grade 2. What is the national flower of India?
Lotus.
Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is lotus. Let us share them. Question for grade 3. What is the smallest continent in the world?
Australia.
Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is Australia. Let us upshare them. Question for grade 4. When the National Girl Child Day celebrated in India? Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is January 24. Let us upshare them. Question for grade 5. Where is Gull National Park located in which state? I'll repeat my question. Where is Gull National Park located in which state? Sorry, you did not pick the correct answer, and the answer is Gujarat. Thank you.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Along lies my happiness. Jai Hind. international and national news is brought to you by Mithun Raj from VI Jasper. International news. Nepal PM Pushpa Kamal Dal Prachandra expands cabinet by adding 2 new ministers. National news. S. Jaishankar meets Iceland's foreign affairs minister on sidelines on EFTA deals. Thank you. My friend will continue state and sport news. Today's sports and state news is brought to you by B. Narendra of Grade 6 Jasper. State news. Telangana CM issues employees that will be discussed on cabinet and solutions worked out. Sports news. Vihan Reddy wins maiden ITF junior title. Thank you. My name. Today's thought is brought to you by E. Pratik of Grade 6 Jasper. Thought. A person who never made a mistake will never try anything new. I'll repeat my thought. A person who never made a mistake will never try anything new. Thank you. Today my name is V. from Grade 6 Jasper. Today verb exclaim. This is a verb. Exclaim means drawn, emotional or pain. Friend, please spell after me. Exclaim. ESCLAIM. Thank you. Everyone, today's amazing facts are brought to you by Eskishore of Grade 6 Jasper. The majority of Earth's oxygen is produced by oceans. Bananas are radioactive. Animals use Earth's magnetic field to know their location. Helium works against gravity. There is no flavor in food without saliva. Water can boil and freeze at same time. Thank you. Today's GK questions is brought to you by Shrestha from Grade 6 Jasper. Question for Grade 6. Name the first man to walk on the moon. Neil Armstrong. Yes, you picked the correct answer. Let us appreciate them. And the answer is Neil Armstrong. Question for Grade 7. Name the national heritage animal of India. Yes, you picked the correct answer. Let us appreciate them. And the answer is elephant. Question for Grade 8. What is launch date for Chandrayaan-3 mission? July 14, 2000. Yes, you picked the correct answer. Let us appreciate them. And the answer is July 14, 2023. Question for Grade 9. Who discovered the X-rays first? I'll repeat it again. Who discovered the X-rays first? Sorry, you didn't pick the correct answer. And the answer is William Longitton. Thank you. Have a nice day.